This list is intended to provide the contractor and their workers a guide for the tools required on most Nudura projects. Although not all of these tools will be necessary for every project, the vast majority are essential to achieving an efficient Nudura build. In addition to power tools, here's our list of recommended tools to make installation easier. Rubber mallet, bolt cutters, pruning saw, foam gun, low expansion spray foam for filling gaps, sealing joints, and general purpose foam applications, Nudura alignment system, rebar bender and cutter, hot knife tool, electric chainsaw, pruning shears. For a complete list of standard and miscellaneous tools and supplies, refer to the Nudura Installation Manual on nudura.com. This concludes the Nudura Recommended Tools video. Click the video above to continue watching our ICF Installation Guide for Residential Homes series. If you have any questions, please visit the Nudura website or contact your local Nudura sales or technical representative.